In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Jasper AI Chrome extension. By the end, you'll have the Jasper AI extension installed in Chrome and ready for your writing workflow. I'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so nothing slows you down. First, go to your browser. This process is designed for Google Chrome on a computer, so make sure you're using Chrome rather than another browser. Having a stable internet connection helps, and it's best to close any pop-ups or downloads that might distract you. Now look to the top right of Chrome for the small puzzle piece icon. That's the extensions button. Click it to open the menu. This menu shows your current extensions and gives you quick access to settings. If you don't immediately see the puzzle icon, expand your window or maximize Chrome so the toolbar is fully visible. In the menu that appears, click Manage Extensions. This opens Chrome's extensions dashboard in a new tab. Here you can see everything you've installed, toggle them on or off, and remove ones you no longer need. It's also where Chrome links you to the official marketplace for new tools. On the extensions page, click Chrome Web Store. This takes you to Google's official store for extensions and themes. Using the web store ensures you're downloading from a trusted source, which helps you avoid lookalike or unsafe listings. Once you're in the store, use the search bar and type Jasper AI. Be precise with the spelling to get accurate results. When the search results load, find the listing for Jasper AI. Before you proceed, glance at the name, the icon, and the reviews to confirm you're choosing the correct and reputable extension. This quick check helps you avoid installing the wrong tool. Click the Jasper AI listing, then click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation box will appear describing the permissions the extension needs to function properly. Review the prompt, and when you're ready, click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically. You'll see a brief notification in the top right confirming that Jasper AI has been added. That's it. Jasper AI is now installed in your browser. If you return to the puzzle piece menu later, you'll find it listed there, and Chrome will handle updates for you in the background. To recap, you open Chrome, use the puzzle icon to reach Manage Extensions, went to the Chrome Web Store, searched for Jasper AI, and then added the extension with a single confirmation. You're all set to use Jasper AI directly from your browser whenever you need it.